Zeus. 5. All the boys, most of them got that wrong. Okay. I'm excited. Yes. All right, remember, if they tag you, give them one of your
Make a wish.
Happy birthday, Brooklyn! Today we are playing 5 high-energy games that keep kids moving and laughing and engaging the entire party. Happy birthday, Brooklyn! And the first game I made up just for you. So this is called the Brooklyn tag, okay? Does everybody know how to spell Brooklyn's name? If you don't, it's on the board right there. Everybody look. Let's spell it together. It's B-R-O-O-K-L-Y-N. And you're going to need to know that to win this game, okay? We're going to play tag. If somebody tags you, you have to give them your letter. The first person to spell out Brooklyn's name wins the game.
Yes, I got it.
Now, we are not going to push anybody, right?
Yeah.
We're going to be safe and have very gentle touches, okay? Just tag them. As soon as they tag you, yeah, and if they tag you, just give up one of your letters, okay?
And don't fall on the concrete.
Yeah, don't fall on the concrete. Here's yours.
Can you tag everyone?
You can tag anybody that has a card. Yours says no, that's funny. Yours says no. Who doesn't have 2 letters? Brooklyn, of course. Don't let Brooklyn win her own game, y'all.
Oh, she won't. No.
All right, and then let's give you a B and a Y. All right, everybody has 2 letters?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
At some point, we're just straight.
All right, I love what I see. Let's get some. I'm excited. Yes. All right, remember, if they tag you, give them one of your letters. All right, Taylor, get some letters, Taylor. Good. Yeah, I know. Go, 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 go! Periodically throughout the game, I paused it and I did little challenges like dance breaks to give them a chance to win some free letters. Also, I wanted you guys to notice that when 2 players get tagged at the same time, we break the tie by a quick game of rock, paper, scissors to keep things fair and fun. Somebody drop the letter! Oh, now it's yours.
I got you. Tag you.
Fill it up. Oh my God. Next up is the relay race. Now, each player is going to balance a bowl, and they're going to put the balls, as many balls as they can, on top of their head and then race to drop it in their team's bucket. The first team to fill their bucket up to the line that I drew in the bucket wins the game.
Don't let it fall. All right, good job. Good job, good job, good job. Go ahead. Yeah. Keep it on your head, Kayla. Good job. Go, 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 go. Woo!
Who's winning so far, Dad?
3 has a slight lead.
Y'all gotta catch up. Keep it on your head, not your neck, your head.
Try to live by the rules, but we survived. No one talked me.
Y'all can do y'all.
Dinner! You got it, Good job. Yeah! Let's go. Good job. Yeah!
Kids really had a ball with this one, so I'm just gonna let y'all Continue to watch them race it out. But you want to know something? What's missing? Yeah, the parents, they're on the sideline just chilling out, relaxing, eating, talking, catching up, while the activity author manages and runs all the games so they don't have to.
Surprise or Barbies? I know you like both, but pick one. Hurry up! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Which one, Brooklyn?
LOL.
LOL! I hope you keep up with your points. Y'all keeping up with your points, right? Okay, keep up with your score. Go! Aquariums or zoos?
Aquarium.
Okay. I'm learning so much.
This one is my personal favorite, and it's a little remix of This or That, and it's called Who Knows the Birthday Girl? So I will call out 2 options, and the kids have to choose which one they think Brooklyn prefers by running to the matching side.
Scarowinds or Carowinds? Carowinds.
Yeah!
Giants or Jets? The football team. Does she like the Giants or the Jets? Giants!
Woo! Yeah!
One. Which one, Brooklyn?
Bluey.
Bluey. iPad or phone? Go. 5. Stop cheating. 4.
Phone.
Or her scooter. Bike or scooter. Come on, Tim. Even I knew that. Points good. Keep up with that. Does she prefer dresses or pants? Pants. That was a good question. All the boys, most of them got that wrong. Okay. Does she?
I actually think the birthday girl really enjoyed that. Y'all saw her cracking up? Yeah, I'm a comedian low-key, so I had them laughing the whole game.
Go, Lucas! Go, Kenny!
Yes, you got it. For this water relay game, each player works together to fill their bucket to the line. The first player to reach their mark wins. This one is a favorite. No hands allowed. The kids race to eat their fruit by the foot using their mouths only.
All right, go.
Come
on, Kayla, quickly. Come on, Kayla. Go, Kenny, go. Malia already ate hers.
All right, good. Go, Gabriel. Go, Gabriel, come on. All right, you're done. Go. Come on, Gabriel. Come on, Gabriel.
Come on, Kenny. Oh. Come on, Kenny. Yay! I don't know who won.
After all that fun, it's time to cool down inside with some cake, ice cream, and a little birthday celebration.
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Brooklyn. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish. Let me.
You got your brain.
Here was the adult who
need a slice of cake?
Listen out.
Little one, your brain is still.
I'll wait till everyone else has some.
You enjoy my games for the party?
I did.
Okay, which one was your favorite game?
I think the water one.
The water one? The relay water race? Awesome. And one more question. Would you book the activity author for your party? Yay! Which one of the games were your favorite today?
The water one.
The water one? Okay. And then if you could book me for your party, would you?
Yeah.
Yay! I have the birthday girl here.
I'm
Hey,
guessing.
Brooklyn.
I'm guessing.
Did you have
probably.
fun at the activity author party?
Yes.
And would you book me for your next birthday?
Yes.
I would like to thank the beautiful Brooklyn for trusting me with her birthday party fun. And if you want a party like this for your child full of energy, laughter, and unforgettable moments, book the activity author today. Link in my bio.